Hello gentlemen, let me introduce our new assembled version. We can call the MOUDLE version. Okay, here is a 8000 watt control box. Let's see what we can do for this control box. Okay, let's see the front panel. Here we have a switch, power save off, power save on. This will be a AC socket, and this will be a 110 to 220 output, AC output. You can make choice. Okay. Here we have a DC input, voltage and AMP. Then we can see voltage AMP from your DC battery. And here we have AC output voltage LED display. Here is 220 and here is the fuse. Okay, we can see here. We have a fan for cooling the heat. Okay, and this side, here is the hole to make the hot air go outside from here. Okay, let's see the back side here. Okay, here is the DC input from your battery. This is from positive, negative. Okay, and this is for transformer T1, T2, and this is voltage connect to the transformer. Okay, let's see. This we can call the transformer box. Here T1, T2 connect the control box here. You know, the same position, just connect the cable, then will be okay. And here will be also L1, N1, L2, N2, just connect here. Same position, just directly same line to connect, that's okay. Here is signal connect cable. We have a cable connect here and here. Then everything will be okay. Let's see, here we have a voltage. This is very important because before we setting up everything, we must be checking out if the transformer is good or not. So we will give you AC socket, another side from your home 110 to the AC input. When you plug this, you can see if the voltage you go to 20, 30 or 40, different like different voltage inputs. So will be have a different, but you just see the. Thank you.